Planet Earth, our beautiful blue home, is a fascinating place full of mysteries and wonders. Let's embark on a journey across our planet, discovering some of the most incredible facts that make Earth a unique and captivating world. Imagine looking at Earth from space. What would you see? A stunning blue marble spinning in the vast blackness. But why is Earth blue? This is because over 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Oceans, seas, rivers and lakes reflect sunlight, making our planet look blue from space. But there's more to this blue marvel. Did you know that the oceans are so deep that the tallest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest, could easily fit inside? The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, plunges nearly 36,000 feet into the Earth. That's deeper than a commercial airplane's cruising altitude. Water on Earth is constantly moving. It travels through rivers, evaporates into the air, forms clouds, and then falls back to the ground as rain. This cycle has been happening for billions of years. In fact, the water you drink today might have once been swallowed by a dinosaur. But what's truly amazing is that this water cycle helps keep our planet alive. Water cools the Earth, nurtures plants, and provides a habitat for countless creatures. And speaking of creatures, did you know that the ocean is home to more than 80% of all life on Earth? Yet we've only explored less than 5% of it. Who knows what mysteries are still hidden in the deep blue sea? Earth is a planet of extremes. From scorching deserts to freezing polar ice caps, our planet has it all. Take, for example, the Sahara Desert. It's the largest hot desert in the world, covering an area almost as big as the United States. Temperatures there can soar above 130 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. On the other end of the spectrum, we have Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Temperatures there can drop below minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the harsh conditions, both places have life. In the Sahara, you'll find tough plants and animals like cacti and camels. In Antarctica, penguins waddle around and seals dive into icy waters. Chapter 4. The Breathing Planet. Earth is often called the breathing planet because of its vast forests. Trees and plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, the gas we need to breathe. The Amazon rainforest, also known as the lungs of the Earth, produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. But did you know that the majority of our oxygen actually comes from the ocean? Tiny plants in the ocean called phytoplankton produce around 50% of the oxygen in the atmosphere. These microscopic powerhouses might be small, but they play a huge role in keeping life on Earth alive. Chapter 5. A World of Wonders. Earth is full of natural wonders that leave us in awe. Take the Grand Canyon in the United States, for example. This massive canyon was carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. It's so deep and wide that it can take your breath away just by looking at it. Another marvel is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the largest coral reef system in the world. Stretching over 1,400 miles, it's visible from space. The reef is home to thousands of species of fish, coral and other sea creatures, making it one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Then there's Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Standing tall at 29,032 feet, it challenges even the bravest adventurers. Climbing Everest is no easy feat. It requires physical strength, mental toughness, and a lot of preparation. Yet every year, many take on the challenge to stand on top of the world. Chapter 6. The shifting Earth. Earth might seem solid and unchanging, but it's actually in constant motion. The surface of our planet is made up of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates float on the molten rock beneath them and are always moving, even if we can't feel it. Sometimes these plates bump into each other, causing earthquakes. In other places, they pull apart, creating deep ocean trenches or volcanic eruptions. The movement of these plates is responsible for shaping the mountains, valleys, and even continents we see today. Did you know that millions of years ago, all the continents were joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea? Over time, the plates drifted apart, forming the continents we know today. And guess what? The continents are still moving. In about 250 million years, they might come together again to form a new supercontinent. Chapter 7. The ever-changing skies. Look up at the sky and you'll see clouds drifting by, birds soaring, and maybe even a rainbow after a rain shower. But there's much more happening in our atmosphere than meets the eye. Earth's atmosphere is like a protective blanket, keeping us safe from the sun's harmful rays and regulating our planet's temperature. Without it, life on Earth would be impossible. But did you know that Earth's atmosphere also creates some of the most stunning natural phenomena? One such phenomenon is the aurora, also known as the northern and southern lights. These dazzling displays of color in the sky are caused by particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field. The result is a breathtaking dance of light that has amazed people for centuries. And then there are thunderstorms, which are not only spectacular but also incredibly powerful. A single bolt of lightning can heat the air around it to 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Thunderstorms help balance the Earth's atmosphere by releasing energy and bringing much-needed rain to dry areas. Chapter 8. The power of life. Life on Earth is incredibly diverse and resilient. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, life has found a way to thrive in almost every corner of the planet. Even in the harshest environments like the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone or the freezing cold depths of the ocean, life persists. One of the most amazing things about life on Earth is how interconnected everything is. Plants provide oxygen and food, animals spread seeds and fertilize the soil, and tiny microbes break down waste. This intricate web of life is what keeps our planet healthy and thriving. Chapter 9. Earth's future. As we look to the future, it's important to remember that Earth is our only home. The choices we make today will shape the planet for future generations. By protecting our forests, oceans, and wildlife, we can ensure that Earth remains a vibrant and beautiful place for all life. Our journey across Earth has shown us that our planet is full of wonders, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. But it's up to us to take care of this incredible world. After all, there's no place like Earth in the entire universe. Conclusion: the journey continues. Planet Earth is an amazing place, full of surprises and secrets waiting to be discovered. Whether we're exploring the ocean's depths, hiking through forests, or simply gazing up at the stars, there's always something new to learn about our world. So let's keep exploring, keep protecting, and keep celebrating the extraordinary planet we call home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing journeys and discoveries.